Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back again with me, Vemi Hidayanti. My NPM is 211104023 and 4, and I'm from class 1G English Education. My lecturer is Mr. Rija Dwiono M.Pd. So now I want to tell you about should cell phones use be allowed in school. So let's get started. The world of information now appears to be inextricably linked to technology, which is becoming increasingly sophisticated and allowing for faster communication. Technology is designed to make human activities easier. For example, is smartphone. Phones are owned by almost everyone from children to the elderly. We can't be separated from cell phones in our daily lives. Cell phones have become an integral part of student life, and their presence has a good impact on students in schools, such as number 1 is communication. Benefit of mobile phones for students is that they make it easier for student and teacher to communicate. If you need to communicate something but are unable to meet in person. And number 2 is information facility, which is a source of data, make it easier for students to find information and help students have a broad source and insights. Number 3 is tool. Why is that? Because students can use the features on mobile phones, capabilities like stopwatch, calculators, and dictionaries. And there are educational apps accessible on the App Store to assist students learn more in a fun and engaging way. And the last number 4 is facilitates the process of teaching and learning. Activities between students and teachers by using fun and interesting learning methods to encourage student interest and learning who definitely use cell phones in teaching and learning activities. And there are so many benefits of cell phones if you use them at school, right? If it's good, why not? So guys, that are my opinion about should cell phones use be allowed in school. I think that all. Thank you for attention and see you. Assalamualaikum.